Hi guys, it's Jess with Marketing Holders here to introduce you to our extremely popular wall mount trifold or rack card organizer. We make these right here in the USA, from the single pocket to our most popular 10 pocket. You can see these are all clear acrylic. We do also make them with a white and black back. They also do come in a PVC version, which does make them a little bit lighter than the acrylic ones. The pockets can hold up to about 50 rack cards or pamphlets. We also have business card holders and postcard holders, but that's for another video. Make sure you check us out at www.marketingholders.com or give a call at the number on your screen. Stay tuned, we'll see you next week.